How to make $10,000 fast.
Well, first step would be to stop dreaming and start doing something that can actually help you come closer to your dream. You must want to get rich. Prepare your mind that you are a rich person. Now see the solutions in this video. First step, learn skills. Here is a list of money-making skills to teach you. Be up to date. Money-making skills included YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and freelancer.
Who is a freelancer?
Freelancing is a type of self-employment. Instead of being employed by a company, freelancers tend to work as self-employed, delivering their services on a contract or project basis.
What are the freelancer jobs?
16 best freelance jobs. Copywriter, web designer, digital marketing consultant, social media manager, editor, web developer, media buyer. Photographer, data analyst, business consultant, programmer, videographer, accountant, virtual assistant, public relations manager, English language knowledge.
What is a social media manager?
Social media is a lucrative way for businesses to promote products and services directly to their target audiences. Social media managers help brands formulate and implement marketing strategies to enhance lead generation. As a freelancer, you can work with several brands at any given time, helping them improve communication techniques on various social media platforms. In most cases, clients will expect you to provide expert advice about content generation and targeting, so you'll need to demonstrate savviness with different social media channels. On average, you can expect to command a pay rate of $14 to $35 an hour via freelance platforms as a social media manager.
How much English do you need to be a freelancer?
If you have a basic level of English for client communication, then it is quite okay. For example, if you are a graphic designer, then you need to know that much language necessary to understand the instructions of your clients. It does not have to be pro level.
Is it necessary to learn English for freelancing?
English is an international language. A huge portion of the world's population is speaking English as either a first or second language. Freelancers are inhabitants of the international community. Therefore, it is highly recommended that you have at least ABC knowledge on it.
Is freelancing very difficult?
Overall, freelancing can be a tough job, but it can also be a rewarding and fulfilling career choice for those who are self-motivated, disciplined, and have skills.
What is important to freelancers?
As a freelancer, you are responsible for finding clients, managing your relationships with customers, and closing on agreements with different businesses. This requires you to have skills for dealing with other people and managing your own business.
What are the benefits of freelancing?
1. Multiple sources of income. 2. Self-management. 3. Flexible hours. 4. Location flexibility. 5. Improved skill set. 6. Variety in daily activities. 7. Job security. 8. Work from home benefits. 9. Choose the work you want. 10. Grow at your pace. 11. Create a work-life balance that works for you. 12. Build up interpersonal skills. 13. Workload control. 14. Increase creativity. 15. Financial security. 16. No need to travel for work. 17. You don't depend on a team to carry out tasks. 18. Work with diverse clients and gain experience. 19. Global exposure. 20. You can improve your lifestyle. In the next videos, we will explain more about money-making skills.
Please subscribe and introduce to your friends.
Marketing and receiving the project successful freelancer strategy, and we will teach you how to earn from social networks in the next videos.